All right. Who are the parties on Michael Mora? Michael Mora? Where's Michael Mora? Come down, please. Court is calling 2024 CR 657.
Here it is, the moment judges dread, the early warning signs. When a probation officer mentions an incident, that's usually code for something big is about to unravel. And remember, when you're on deferred adjudication, any violation, even a minor one, can open the door to the full original sentence. One wrong move, and the court has the green light to slam the hammer.
5 State versus Michael John Mora. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway from the state.
Defense.
David Andre Wooder from Mr. Mora.
And are you Michael John Mora? All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Michael John Moore who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 6575 for the, sorry, just 1 second off the record. Excuse me. You need to whisper and the deputy will move you all down to the end so you can speak. You're welcome.
Judge, can you move your mic up, please?
Ah, thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. All right. Are you the same Michael John Moore who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 6575 for the offense of theft $30,000 to $150,000 on June 10th, 2024 for a period of 10 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Your Honor, we're going to proceed on violation of condition number 1 on or about the 3rd day of July 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Michael John Mora, committed the offense of tampering with electronic monitoring device in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And this is where the law gets brutally simple. Condition number 1 is always a golden rule. Don't commit a new crime. Cutting a GPS monitor? That's not just messing up. Under Texas law, it is literally a new felony. So when the prosecutor starts with, we're proceeding on violation number 1, yeah, that's the legal equivalent of flipping a switch labeled doom mode activated.
Waive and abandon the remainder.
Any objections?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it to grant the motion and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It's for the court to grant the state's motion, revoke or adjudicate the defendant, revoke his community supervision, and sentence him to 4 years and TDC.
All right. What has he done on probation?
I don't think he's done much of anything, Judge.
All right, and this tampering with the, I'm assuming tampering with the GPS, what does that mean? Did he remove his GPS?
He cut the GPS monitor off.
Okay. Court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke. Probation, has he done anything?
Judge, Mr. Mora was in felony, he was a felony drug court participant at one point. And based on the court's summary, Judge, Mr. Mora did not do very much on his probation.
All right, have you done anything on probation? You want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, did you do anything on probation? Why not?
Wrong decisions.
All right, court is going to find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be restitution to Neri, Nerry, David, middle name Nuangile, last name Bumba, and Marisol Martinez. And the restitution to Marisol Martinez. It's in cause number 2024 CR 3664. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
No.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, and the court will suggest a therapeutic community. That doesn't increase the length of time that you're in custody. However, I have no jurisdiction to force them to place you in that program. But if you request it, they'll see that I've requested it for you and they may place you in the program. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, I have a motion.
Yes. Court is calling 2021 CR 5898, State of Texas versus Richard Ortiz Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Ortiz.
Are you Mr. Ortiz?
Yes.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amended Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Richard Ortiz Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams on August 29, 2022 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
We wish to proceed on violation of condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of November 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Richard Ortiz Jr., committed the offense of possessing of controlled substance and violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
Waive and abandon the remainders, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is for the court to grant the state's motion, adjudicate the defendant guilty, revoke his community supervision, and sentence him to 3 years and TUC.
All right. So has he done anything on probation?
He's done a lot, Your Honor. He was successful in safety. Yeah, he's got 401 days of credit. He was doing wonderfully, Judge, until in November, there was a incident where he in a vehicle with another individual, where the police.
Pause here. This is the crossroads moment. Judges always ask this question because it determines everything. Has this person put in real effort? For some defendants, the answer is a painful yes, months of clean tests, programs completed, genuine progress. For others, not so much. What comes next often decides whether a second chance survives or collapses on impact.
Pulled him over and he was caught with one little, what was it? Less than a gram of meth, Your Honor.
See, here's the thing. You have to change people, places, and things.
Yes, sir.
And anybody who is not helping you with your sobriety, then you got to cut them loose. All right.
Judge, additionally, he has tested clean 9 different times in a row. In 2024, he was doing pretty well overall. So we'd ask the court to go along with the plea recommendation.
All right. And did you turn over the,
I haven't, Judge. I
Oh, thank
didn't
you.
have the cause number in front of me.
oh, I'll put
I
the.
apologize.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion. The court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served, credit for any inpatient treatment in the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Here's the thing. I wish, things would have been different for you. Although my grandmother always say, never use the word wish. I hoped that you would do better. You still have a chance to maintain your sobriety and get everything on track when you're released from custody. Immediately when you're released from custody, you need to find a sober support group so that you can stay on your mission. Because once people go to the jail or go to the prison, they say, when I get out of here, I'm going to do A, B, and C. But for you, you got to have a plan and you got to stick to it. When you're released, if you can't find a specific place to go, you can always come back here. If I'm still here, I'll help you find a place.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate you.
All right, thank